UX Honeycomb model. Before we start, let's have this basic principles clear. UI versus UX. UI, user interface, is the visual layout and interactive elements of a product, like buttons and screens. UX, user experience, is the overall feeling and satisfaction a user has when interacting with the product, focusing on ease and effectiveness. UX Honeycomb is a design framework developed by Peter Morville in 2004. The UX Honeycomb model outlines 7 key aspects of user experience. If a product fulfills these 7 criteria, it's likely to provide a good user experience. These 7 aspects are useful, usable, findable, credible, accessible, desirable, and valuable. Let's take a fitness tracker as an example to understand the 7 facets of UX Honeycomb. Useful means, does your product solve a problem for users? It refers to how well a product helps users achieve its core purpose. Example, a kitchen knife cuts the vegetables and fruits. If a product isn't useful, then there's no reason to build it in the first place. Here, fitness tracker tracks steps, distance, and calories burned to help users monitor their performance. Usable. A product might be useful, but if it's not usable, if users find it confusing to use, it should feel intuitive and have a low learning curve to make it easy to use. New users should quickly understand and use it without difficulty. Example, simple navigation and clear labels and guided tutorials can make even a complex app feel easy to use, enhancing the overall experience. Now let's talk about findability. Findability is, can users easily locate what they need? For instance, in a fitness tracker, all key features like tracking daily steps or accessing past workout logs are available within a few taps. Now, let's talk about establishing credibility. Building user trust is essential, as users tend to use a product more frequently when it's trustworthy. For example, here, this app can include expert content from certified fitness professionals and links to reputable health studies, reassuring users of its accuracy. Next, let's discuss accessibility. It is about, can everyone use it regardless of ability? Remember, accessible design doesn't just mean making products accessible for people with disabilities. Accessibility means designing for people with diverse abilities, languages, and backgrounds. For instance, YouTube's subtitles support non-native speakers and those who are hard of hearing, allowing full access to content. Designing accessible products is crucial today. This app can offer adjustable font sizes, voice control options, and multilingual interface. Next, desirable means, does it delight and engage the user? Here, the app's design can include visually appealing animations, encouraging messages, stylish and sleek design that users are proud to wear. Aesthetic appeal boosts user motivation. Ultimately, the product should be valuable to the users. Is it worth the user's time, effort, and money? Value is a core aspect of the UX Honeycomb framework. You can correlate it with return on investment or ROI. This helps justify the user's investment in the product. Example, a product might be fulfilling all 6 aspects, but very costly. Then people might not be very interested. This ROI doesn't always have to be monetary. It could also be about the time users saved while using your application or website. Example here, the app delivers long-term value by helping users achieve and maintain fitness goals, ultimately making it worth the investment of time and costs. Hence, to summarize, useful is solves a problem. Usable is easy to use. Findable is easy to navigate. Credible is trustworthy and reliable. Accessible is inclusive for all. Desirable is emotionally engaging. And valuable is return on investment. Common pitfalls to avoid: don't skip facets. Neglecting one area can compromise the entire experience. For example, a useful product that isn't findable or accessible will frustrate users. Test and iterate. UX is dynamic. User needs and expectations change. Regular feedback and updates are vital. Balance is key. Overemphasizing desirability but ignoring usability or credibility can backfire. Hence, when we incorporate all 7 facets of the UX honeycomb, you don't just create a product. You craft an experience that users trust, enjoy, and rely on.